Welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook cover photo size. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If your Facebook cover photo is not showing its original size on your Facebook profile, then simply tap open your Facebook application and make sure that you're logged into it. Now from the main home page, tap on the hamburger menu located at the upper right hand corner and tap on see your profile at the top. You'll be able to see your profile page along with your profile page and your cover photo if you've set any. If your cover photo is not showing you its full size on your profile, then in order to fix that issue, simply tap on edit profile right under your name. Now tap on the edit button right next to cover photo and find the picture. Go to albums and click on cover photos in order to find the picture right away. Now tap on the picture that is your existing cover photo right now and simply drag the picture to adjust on your Facebook timeline. Soon after you drag and adjust your picture for your cover photo, tap on the save button in the top right hand corner, and that is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.